ये हम कहा मालिक मुझसे बात करो मेरी पीछे आवाज होती है
এত পিস লাগে যা লাগে লইব সাইল বকে 10 সাল বকে যা লাগে লইব এত পিস যা পাইবো সব সিলে হ্যালো না তুমি যাও উপরে তো গুণ দিও চাউলটা দিও মাছের তরকারি আমি এত পিস হ্যালো হ্যাঁ হ্যালো হ্যালো
योगी जी योगी जी आपका माइक्रोफोन म्यूट है।
Yeah, sorry, my mic was turned off. So this is the high-speed mixer. This is our pelletizer machines, steel conveyor belt, which is a very long belt, almost 20-23 feet, long. These are the cooling fans which you can see which used to cool. And this is the head of the extruder machine from where the material will come out. So in few, minutes or few hours, we will see the live pallet making operation. And this is a great opportunity for all of us to see our pelletizer machine live. One more thing, a very small thing, I'm just trying to, right now tell you that whoever the customer want a customized color on the machine, we will also give you that option. You have to just, inform us after placing the order, and you can inform us you want a specific color. So we will just use that color for your machine to suit your factory aesthetic or your choice. Again, we are coming back to this sheet forming machine. You can see this is the quality we provide. See the quality of the sheet. And when you will use this kind of high quality machines, you will be able to give the best support to your customers to meet their expectation. Our high-speed mixer will take some time to mix the raw material. So meanwhile, we will try to show you around in the factory all these kind of, these all thermoforming lines are getting ready for the customers who have placed their orders. This machine is for, again, there is a sheet making machine, and here is the lunch boxes. So today we have actually planned a live demo, live demonstration of the machine for thermoforming line and pelletizer machine. So once the hot and cold mixer will be ready, the mix raw material, we will divert to our pelletizer machine. We will go to the pelletizer machine and we will show you how to, feed the raw material mix to the pelletizer. And then we will also show the complete operation of live running pellet making process. But till what we have some time, we are trying to show you the complete solution for the thermoforming item manufacturing. This is the machine right now we are showing where you can make the disposable biodegradable glasses. Robert, can you show the die? Please show the die. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Robert. So this is the die mold which is used to make the disposable glasses. You can also have different kind of, molds where we can make balls, we can make different kind of, products. Thank you. Thank you, Robert. Thank you. This is the machine where we have put the pellets inside it, and then it is making the sheet live right now. Those pellets which you are making from the pelletizer machine, we can put that pellet into this sheet making machine and it will convert it into sheet. And then this sheet will be fed to the another thermoforming machine where we can make glasses, food plates, food boxes, all kind of disposable biodegradable items. These edges are getting cut by this cutter as per the perfect dimension what we require to feed it to the thermoforming line. ये शीट को एक पर्टिकुलर मेजरमेंट में कट किया जाता है. सो जिस तरह की आइटम होगी थर्मोफॉर्मिंग लाइन की मशीन में डालने के लिए उतना शीट बना के उतना शीट कट करके उसमें डाला जाएगा. तो मैं ये बोल रहा था कि अगर कोई कस्टमर को अपने फैक्ट्री के चॉइस के हिसाब से अगर मशीन पे कलर चाहिए, वी कैन ऑलवेज चेंज द कलर फॉर यू, द पेंट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मुझे ब्लू पेंट चाहिए मशीन पे, वी विल हेल्प एंड वी विल सपोर्ट यू टू गेट द मशीन पेंटेड इन ब्लू कलर if it is a specific choice. Because everyone has their own, belief in the vastu, everyone has own choice of color. So at that time of placing the order, you can request us. They are checking whether the raw material mix is ready or not. ये लोग चेक कर रहे हैं कि ये पर्टिकुलर रॉ मटेरियल जो अभी इसमें डाला हुआ है हाई स्पीड मशीन मिक्सर में, वो अभी डिस्पेंस करने के लिए रेडी है कि नहीं. तो उसके बाद में उसको डिस्पेंस किया जाएगा. अगर उनको लगेगा कि कुछ कोई आइटम अभी उसमें डालना है थोड़ा ज्यादा, देन दे विल जस्ट फीड इट टू द मिक्सर. Each and every item has to be go in proportion. This is simple like making any kind of dish in our kitchen, in our restaurants. जो भी आइटम जितना डालना है वो हम मेजर करके डालेंगे. Then only we can get the perfect grade for the pellets and for the final application. हर एक जो फिनिश प्रोडक्ट रहेगा, हमें ग्लास बनाना है, स्पून बनाना है, फूड बॉक्स बनाना है, लंच बॉक्सेस बनाना है, वी वांट टू प्रिपेयर एनी काइंड ऑफ फिनिश आइटम, or maybe our customer is going to make any kind of particular item, then we have to make sure that we are giving him the perfect grade which will make the best product what our customer wants. So for that you need a perfect formulation. So you can always emphasize on this thing which is very important in this business, कि आपका फॉर्मुलेशन जितना तगड़ा होगा, जितना रिसर्च बेस्ड होगा, you can win the market without any doubt. And again the cost factor, so I told you we are not suggesting to use costly biodegradable agents like PLA, PVA और PBAT. हम ये कॉस्टली बायोडिग्रेडेबल एजेंट्स यूज नहीं करते हैं हमारे फॉर्मुलेशन में. सो हमारा जो फॉर्मुलेशन है वो सीक्रेट फॉर्मुलेशन है, रिसर्च बेस्ड फॉर्मुलेशन है. और आपका जो फाइनल कॉस्ट रहेगा प्रोडक्शन का, पैलेट्स का, योर फाइनल प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट ऑफ योर पैलेट्स विल बी कंप्लीटली लो इन द मार्केट with help of our secret formulation that we can always disclose once you place the order to us. We will disclose that secret formulation for you, and of course you have to keep it secret to you only. You should not give it to your people, your workers, because it is something which is very important to remain the market leader. So whenever you are talking to any other suppliers of pelletizer machine or thermoforming lines, you can always ask them what are the kind of material we have to use it in the raw material mix. So they will mostly tell you that you have to use cornstarch, little bit quantity of calcium carbonate, you have to use PLA, PVA, PBAT, and other additives and resins. So here is the catch. If you use a costly ingredient, then you cannot beat the competition. And we are the only company who are currently leading the whole market in the world because we have a research based formulation. Our formulation are not free. Our formulation is costing starting minimum from 25,000 US dollars. But currently for all the Indian buyers, we are running a very attractive scheme that with the order of the pelletizer, we will be giving one formulation free of charge. Okay, so you can decide what formulation you want complimentary. The rest of other formulation we will always give on a paid basis, on a payment basis. But I can assure you that using our secret formulation, you can kill the competition without any doubt. This session is just for viewing purpose. We will have a question answer later on. You can call me, you can send me message on WhatsApp. So I will be giving you the perfect answer to your questions. So right now हम कोई भी question answer नहीं लेंगे. अभी हम पूरा complete process इस live demo में देखेंगे और जो भी कोई आपका क्वेश्चन डाउट या कोई क्वेरी है आप मुझे कभी भी बाद में फोन कर सकते हैं, आप व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं, आप ईमेल कर सकते हैं. और मैं चाहूंगा कि ये लाइव डेमो देखने के बाद अगर आपको लगता है दैट यू हैव कनेक्टेड विद द करेक्ट कंपनी, करेक्ट सप्लायर, then I will request you to come down and visit us at Ahmedabad office. Our South Asia office is located at Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and we are welcoming all our customers to meet us at our India office. We have also a policy because we are a Taiwanese company. So whoever the customer is coming to visit us, we will be reimbursing the air ticket charges. And if it is required that you have stayed in a hotel in our city, we will also reimburse the hotel stay charges when you place the order to us. This is a very genuine offer, which is a customer orientation, what our company is having the legacy. So this is a very open offer for all the customers who are coming to meet us at Ahmedabad and they will just finalize the order. We will genuinely, as a gesture of thanksgiving, we will reimburse your air ticket charges and your hotel stay charges. This is a very small thing for you, I understand, but we are trying to give you a good, kind of service. So we want you to be comfortable and come to meet us at Ahmedabad office. Our Taiwan staff has shared few images of the various kind of granules which we can make from the pellet machine. The same pelletizer, you can make all these kind of, granules of different grades, different class, different requirements. Again, welcome to the live demo to all our buyers. We have started little bit early today on the request of few of our buyers who are looking to place the order, and they were, reached to their office or factory little bit early. So I'm really thankful to all of you to join us early. And rest of the buyers will be joining around 9:30 because that was the actual time we communicated to all of you. But rest, few buyers requested for little bit early start. So we have started earlier. So right now, गजराज सर मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, आपने कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछा है. See, basically, high speed mixer and all these, pelletizing making process is continuous process. अभी आपको हम जो बता रहे हैं वो एक सिंपल सिंगल डेमो बता रहे हैं. When you will running the operation, you will completely feed the high speed mixer. You will have the continuous flow of the raw material mix. Your people will be feeding. You can have the automation feeding also. Automatic feeding we can give you. So whatever the raw material is getting, mixed here, you can automatically feed to the pelletizer machine. It's a continuous process. But right now, this is a demo. In demo, we have to show you what different equipment will, how it will work, what its kind of role in the whole process of pallet making. So Gadraj sir, right now it is not a continuous process. It is a simple single demo. डेमो में हमें एक एक चीज अलग से बतानी होती है जिससे कस्टमर जो होते हैं जो ये इंडस्ट्री से नहीं है, those customers who are not from this industry, they can also understand easily. But it's a continuous process. You can just feed the raw material, you can have the batch out from the hot mixer, and you can then feed that raw material mix to the pelletizer. This is a continuous process, वो चलता रहता है पूरा दिन. I hope you have understood what I want to actually convey you, Gadraj sir. Thank you very much. We have pelletizer machine up to the capacity of 3 tons per hour, 3000 kilo per hour tak ka pelletizer machine we can provide. In very exceptional case, we can also provide up to 10 tons, that is 10,000 kilo per hour. But those machines are, much costlier machines. So normally to start in this industry, you can choose a machine which is able to give you 400 to 500 kilogram per hour capacity of output. बट काफी हमारे कस्टमर्स ऐसे भी हैं जो खुद कॉर्न स्टार्च बड़े पैमाने पे बनाते हैं. Many customers of us are such who are manufacturer of cornstarch and they are the supplier. So they want to divert into this industry of making the pellets on a very large scale. So they need those kind of higher capacity pelletizer machine, which can be 1000 kilo per hour, 3000 kilo per hour, 5000 kilo per hour, and up to 10,000 kilo per hour. But those machines are costlier, much costlier, and sometimes we also advise few of our customers who want to go on a large scale, they can go multiple machines of 1000 kg. For example, a customer has requested us for 3000 kilo per hour capacity pelletizer. We have advised him to go for 3 pelletizer, separate pelletizer machine of 1000 kg per hour capacity. So it is all depend on the client's application, client's requirement. Some customer can go for separate thing because they want to make different kind of grades at the same time. So they can go for multiple pelletizer. But some customer have a fixed kind of, pellet quality or grade making requirement. So they can go for the larger capacity of pelletizer. Every company do not have the capacity to even offer to the customer like 3000 kilo per hour, 5000 kilo per hour or 10,000. ये सभी companies के बस के बात नहीं है, because it is not that kind of technology they don't have. So it is also a very distinctive thing for our company. We can support the customer up to even 10,000 per hour capacity of pelletizer. ये पूरा continuous process होता है. This complete process is a continuous process when you will be making the pellets in the factory. So your high speed mixer will completely continuously having the input of the raw materials. The batch will come out. Again, they will just put the next batch in the high speed mixer. Whatever the raw material mix has come out from the mixer, that will be automatically feeded or manually can be feeded to the hopper of the pelletizer extruder machine. And that's a continuous process which runs all the day. You can run our machines 24 hours, no problem. You can continuously run for 3 shifts because we want our customers to run the machine in the full swing then and then only you can, have the best profit margin. You can have the best income from this business. Those customers to whom I have not shared the project report, today after this live demo gets over, I will personally make sure that my staff will send the project report calculation to all the customers who have been interested to buy the machine. So from that project report, you can understand that using our secret formulation, you can keep your raw material mix cost to the lowest level. And that is what, going to make sure that you will always have an upper hand in the market as far as the cost is concerned. Because our formulation, we are not suggesting to use PLA, PVA, and PBAT. We don't suggest to use that. Those are the costly ingredients. Those are the costly biodegradable agents. We don't want you to use it. But it is not easy that without using these, you can make a very good quality of pellet. Sorry. So you have to understand the importance of the research, the R&D, what we are doing in our factory. So with the help of this research-based formulation, we can always make sure that your cost will be always lowest in the market. This is again the control panel for the high-speed mixer, where this engineer is trying to explain us that how to, set the various kind of parameters. Now we are ready to dispense this raw material mostly, I guess. One more thing I would like to share with you, the committed output from a pelletizer machine, what we are normally saying in the industry. See, the raw material mix is now ready and it's coming out from the hot and cold high-speed mixer. I was telling you that, the particular output, which people are saying that, 500 kg per hour, 800 kg per hour, or people are saying, 1000 or more. This all depends what kind of quality of raw material you're using, and it depends on your formulation grade. So it is not possible that, if you are playing with the formulation or you are playing with the quality of raw material, then also still you will get the same output. It is not possible, because these are the machines which runs perfectly on the kind of quality of raw material. And not only this machine, any machinery in the industry will give you the optimum output only when whatever the suggested material you are using as per the suggestion from the supplier. So some customers would be, play with the quality of the raw material. Definitely their output will be lower. They will not achieve the 400, 500 kg per hour. They will maybe go on the lower side. So it is always good that, we stick to the instructions or suggestions from the supplier, and we use the best quality raw material. We stick to the kind of formulation the supplier might provide. Most of the pelletizer machine suppliers will not give the formulation. This is the normal trend in the industry. Pelletizer machine supplier आपको हमेशा formulation देता नहीं है. They don't give it. Even you will ready to pay the price, they never give the formulation, because they say that we are the only machine manufacturer. We are not the laboratory which give you the formulation. Formulation आपको अपने हिसाब से करना होगा. But we are a company who understand that until unless we don't support you guys, when you are taking our machine and you are trying to be the market leader by keeping your costs down, अगर हम आपको support नहीं करेंगे, we don't support you, then it will be not a win-win situation for both of us. So as a company, we have invested a lot in the research and development for the formulation grade also, and we are supporting fully for the secret formulation where you can make the cost-effective pellets. So every machine manufacturer and supplier will never give you the support and coordination for the formulation. वो कभी ज़्यादातर support नहीं करेंगे, because they don't have the kind of research facility, lab facility within their factory. अभी ये जो raw material का batch mix है, this is the batch mix of the raw material is now ready. We will let it little bit cool down, and then we will feed it to the hopper of the pelletizer extruder machine. This is a spiral conveyor belt where we can just feed the raw material here, and it will just feed the raw material to the hopper of the extruder machine. If you want, we can also automate this complete process when you have the factory in place. We can have the raw material mix when it comes out from the mixer. We can automate to feed it to the hopper. That all arrangement can be made on an extra payment basis, on extra request. But currently we are doing it manually. Now in some time, the output will start from the extruder machine. This is a twin screw extruder. Let me also clarify. For application for biodegradable pellets making, normally twin screw application is used. This is a twin screw. Once the material will come out from this, it will the machine live. The raw material is getting continuously feeded. We can automate this whole process also for feeding of the raw material, but that all only possible when the final factory setup is done at your place. Because we have a shop floor, so we do not have the kind of facility available where we will just automate everything, because the machines get ready and get dispatched every 3.5 or 4 months. Single machine gets ready in 3.5 or 4 months. So whenever there are dispatches, we are trying to arrange this kind of live demo show for all the potential buyers who want to place the order. Few buyers have already placed the order. They also want to see the machine live. So this is all arranged at a gap of 3.5 or 4 months. We have machines running every time But to give you a particular demo like this, it will take some time. So today it was a golden opportunity for all of us to see this machine process completely live in front of us, directly from our Kaohsiung factory. Because many of the buyers had requested us that we want to see the machine and then we will place the order immediately. So we were trying to actually request the factory to arrange this live demo. So now we have that particular day has come when the machine is ready to dispatch and we are here to see the live demo. So I request you, all of you, that if you are serious about biodegradable pallet making business, then please get in touch with us and come and visit us at our India office located at Ahmedabad. We can have the complete final discussion and then you can place the order. So you can enter early in this market, and you know who comes early always reaps off the fruits early. जो मार्केट में पहला एंटर होगा वो फ्रूट्स बिल्कुल एंजॉय करेगा. Currently the Indian market is very open and in infant stage. Indian market is right now looking for manufacturers in this particular line of business. Most of the biofillers are getting fully imported from different countries out of India. So if you are entering into this industry early, definitely there will be a much upper hand. Few of the buyers right now who are in this discussion, they have already made up their mind. They have come to our Ahmedabad office and they have met us. And now they are just going to place the order very soon after this demo gets over. So I also welcome everyone. Please come and meet us at Ahmedabad office and finalize your dreams to come true. This is a great opportunity to enter into this biodegradable pallet manufacturing, thermoforming, injection molding items manufacturing, and it's a great future because this industry will go on for at least 30-40 years now because this is the future. Every government in the world is now making the policies where plastic items, which are the daily use and throw items, are going to replace. Now, this is the perfect texture. Perfect texture is now achieved at the cutting machine line. See, you can see now. Every machine needs a little bit adjustment. So now this cutting machine adjustment has been done and you can see these pallets. These are the final products which you can just, sell into the market. You can make different grades for different requirements of your customers. And few of you can also think of making your own thermoforming, products, making your own injection molding products and make a change in the market. But normally we suggest that you should stick on manufacturing raw material. So we advise normally to those people who are entering as a micro, small or medium scale industry, they should focus only on raw material manufacturing. If you want your own, brand in the end product, finished products like food boxes, glasses, and all items, then we suggest that you should invite investors who will be your associate partners. You can give them complete, solution by taking our all machineries of thermoforming, injection molding. You can just tell them that you invest some particular amount in the project. You give them the complete ready project and they can just invest that particular investment and they can be your associate partner and you can have your own branded products with help of your investors who will be your associates, and you need not to invest everything. You focus, you invest in pellet making lines. Start with one pelletizer. Once the requirement, increases from your associate partners, from the market demand, you buy another pelletizer, add it to your production line. This is now the, perfect quality what we are looking for. So entering into this biodegradable pellet manufacturing and biodegradable finished goods manufacturing, it is always, advisable that you should part out. You should not do everything on your own. You part out your plan, your dreams into two. You focus on pellet manufacturing business because that will really need a lot of concentration, because you have to maintain the quality every day. And you invite people who can put their money into your business, who will be your associate partners, and they can invest in thermoforming machines, they can invest in injection molding machines, and you give them pallets at a very good price. Tell them to make products as per your requirement in your brand name, and then you can market that product into the market in India, out of India. This is a very good, successful model which we have seen that many of our customers are running right now out of India in different countries. So you can also replicate the same successful model at your location. आपको पूरा का पूरा सब कुछ चीज में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, ऐसा हम एडवाइस देते हैं। आप इन्वेस्ट करिए पैलेटाइजर बिजनेस में, पैलेट मशीन में। आप उस पर पूरा फोकस करिए कि हाउ यू कैन गिव द बेस्ट क्वालिटी फॉर डिफरेंट ग्रेड्स, मार्केट के लिए भी, और अगर आप अपनी खुद की ब्रांड में फिनिश प्रोडक्ट देना चाहते हैं, जैसे कैरी बैग हो गया, शॉपिंग बैग हो गया, गार्बेज बैग हो गया, डिस्पोजेबल ग्लासेस, स्पून्स, फूड प्लेट्स, फूड बॉक्सेस, लंच बॉक्स कवर्स, एवरीथिंग इज देयर। तो अगर आप ब्रांड में जाना चाहते हैं खुद के और एक बड़े लेवल पे काम करना चाहते हैं, तो आप खुद जो है इन्वेस्ट करिए पैलेटाइजर लाइन में, पैलेटाइजर बिजनेस में, और उसमें से जो पैलेट्स आप बनाते हैं वो पैलेट्स आप अपने बिजनेस एसोसिएट्स को दीजिए। बिजनेस एसोसिएट्स को आप इनवाइट करिए कि आप हमारा ये पूरा प्रोजेक्ट है उसमें आप इन्वेस्ट करिए, उनको इन्वेस्टमेंट का प्लान बना के दीजिए। ये सब चीजों में कहीं भी आपको हमारी हेल्प लगे, इफ यू नीड अस टू हेल्प यू इन दिस, वी आर ऑलवेज देयर टू हेल्प यू। So you can just tell them that this is a project. You can invest in thermoforming machine. You can invest in injection molding machine. You can invest in the extrusion blow film machine, जिसमें से carry bag, shopping bag, garbage bag बनता है. So those all small project. Okay, you can tell them to invest in that. And then with that plan, आपको भी ज्यादा invest नहीं करना है. You will need not to invest lot of money, but still you can have your branded products. You can market that products into the market in India, abroad. So ये एक बहुत सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस मॉडल है, आप इसमें सोच सकते हैं। और अगर आपको पैलेटाइजर मशीन तहत अप टू पैलेटाइजर मशीन आपको सीमित रहना है, इफ यू वांट टू जस्ट स्टिक टू दिस पैलेट मेकिंग बिजनेस, दैट इज आल्सो अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी। सुधांशु सर नमस्कार, वेलकम, गुड मॉर्निंग। We can accept the automation request at any stage. We can also automate the pallet packing process, but it all depends how much you want to achieve the automation, less human interface. We can always help in every stage. So this is our cooling conveyor belt, where the product which comes out from the extruder machine, it is getting cooled down, and then it will be feeded to the crusher, where it will be crushed and cut into the small pallet size granules. This is a continuous process from high speed mixer to the raw material feeded to the extruder's machine, and then the pallet making and packing. This is a continuous process. So at your factory in future, you can always, continuously run this process. You don't have to wait. First batch you are putting into the high speed mixer, and then that material is going to feed it to the hopper of the extruder pallet making machine, and then these pallets coming out from the crusher, and it gets packed into the bags and going out. So it's a continuous process. You don't have to wait. Amindidi Venkateshwaran Sarao sir, good morning. Namaskar. Kannan sir, good morning. Welcome. See, this is the kind of, final output of this pelletizer. You can watch this complete conveyor belt, which pulls down the pellet noodles, which comes out from the extruder machine. You can always request us to change this color of the paint, which we normally put on the machine, because we normally, support each customer if they believe in some vastu, or if they believe to, have a particular color choice. We will also, change the paint as per your request. Now this you can see the output from our twin screw pelletizer machine. It's a continuous process. You can put the raw material in the high speed mixer. The high speed mixer will give you the output in batch wise, and then you can feed that particular raw mix to the hopper of the extruder machine, pelletizer machine, and then it will just get converted into this final output, and you can have the pallets ready from the crusher. We can also help out at few stages to have a complete automation, like raw material feed to the hopper, then the final output gets packed into bags and get out on a conveyor belt. That all can be done at extra cost if it is a requirement from you, because many customers, they want possibly human less operation. So we can also provide that at an extra cost. This is the control panel, which is called the electric control system for the Pelletizer machine. Once we get your order, our engineers will come directly from Taiwan. They will completely guide you how to operate the machine, how to make and maintain the machine. Everything will be completely explained you. Normally 7 days of training installation period is given from the company side. But if you want for a longer training for all your workers or yourself, your supervisor, your manager, then we can put one engineer on a month or kind of a long basis on extra payment. Now it is the right time. We will just use these recently lively made pellets to make the sheet or other items. Now we will show you our thermoforming and sheet making line. That is what the message has come from the factory engineer. Thank you, Robert. Thank you very much for all your coordination at the factory. And we are really thankful to you. You have nicely shown our operation. And I hope that now we can see the thermoforming line operation and the sheet making. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Robert. We can understand now this particular pallets are ready, and we will use these pallets to make the sheet, and then we will make different kind of thermoforming items from using these pallets. Please wait, the engineer will connect with us soon. अभी थोड़ी देर में engineer will connect with us and they will show us the pallets to be converted into thermoforming items. By using these pallets, they will feed it to the sheet making machine, and from the sheet making machine, the sheets will be feeded to the thermoforming machine, and then it will be converted into various kind of products. So we will see that particular process, the second process of making the finished goods very soon. Please be connected. We are expecting more buyers to join to the originally communicated time 9:30. काफी buyers को हमने 9:30 का time दिया था. So we expect them now to join with us. We are waiting for them. So more buyers will join with us in few minutes, and we hope that we can also again show them whatever we have seen in the morning, the complete process, but we will now show them whatever the running pellet making, and they can also see the thermoforming machine line. Thank you, everyone. You have joined with us very early. So nice of you. You have spent a lot of time with us. We are really thankful to each of you. Please be connected. We will show the few other, machineries which will be very, very useful to everyone. Thank you, Gudraj sir. Thank you for your admiration. I'm really thankful that you have given a lot of time today from your busy schedule. Dinesh Shukla sir, very, very thanks to you. Sudhanshu Mehani sir, you have joined little late, but now you will be able to see the thermoforming solution also. And you can always again will be seeing the pelletizer machine, pellet making process, which we have already started at 7:30. Taminidi Venkateswar Rao sir, thank you very much again for you to join here. Viresh sir is always most welcome. He has visited our Ahmedabad office. So Viresh sir, you are most welcome again to place the order now. I welcome each of you to come and meet us at our South Asia office located at Ahmedabad in Gujarat, in India. And again, I would like to mention that we have a policy, being a Taiwanese company, that whenever a customer comes from any remote place, we always tell them, please, come to meet us at Ahmedabad. Whatever your expenses for air ticket charges or hotel stay charges, as a customer care and as a thanksgiving gesture, we will reimburse those charges to you when you place the final order to us. So this is a very small, thanksgiving gesture from a Taiwanese owned company, that we want our customers to come and meet us at our India office located at Ahmedabad. And we will take care of your expenses of air ticket and hotel charges, because we really believe that once you come to us to meet us, and then we can now our engineer has connected back. Yeah, thank you, Robert. Thanks for coming back. Okay, now we are showing this disposable glasses. Robert, are we going to show the disposable glasses manufacturing? Yes, this is the thermoforming line where we will just show you the manufacturing of biodegradable disposable glasses. They are just preparing the machine to get ready to show the manufacturing of glasses. It will take few minutes. Let me again tell you, all of you, that these machines normally takes 3.5 to 4 months to get completely ready for dispatch after the order is received. So whenever we have few machines ready at the factory, we normally arrange this kind of live demonstration. So potential buyers like you who are willing to place the order to us, they can see our machinery live and they can understand the kind of quality of the product which is manufactured from the machines. And you can have a complete trust on the company's quality machine, company's support from the India office, and the kind of a secret formulation which will give you to minimize your cost of production. So you can play in the market very nicely. You can always be the market leader. So supplier is a very, very important in any business. The strength of the supplier is also, the most important thing when you are entering into a business and you are looking to have the best machinery. So you need to understand what kind of, the importance of various kind of criterias. Apart from the machine, you also need support on the formulation. You also need the support on the after sales. You also need the local support. So everything is very important in any business. Yeah, Robert, I can understand. Don't worry. Robert is saying that we are now, adjusting the machine. So it will take few minutes. And then we will also show you the live operation of the disposable biodegradable glass manufacturing line. Robert, please take your time, no problem. We are here waiting for you. Robert, take your time and show some other machinery meanwhile. So, till this engineer gets this machine ready, kindly show the pelletizer or something else. No problem. This is our shop floor for the thermoforming and pelletizer line. We have different products for different customers for different categories. You can see right now the pelletizer machine is still live in action and making the pellets.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello?
We have a very strong research and development team at the factory. I would like to just, share this fact with all of you that we are continuously doing research on the best formulation also, apart from the machinery. We are upgrading ourselves with the latest technology each and every time. And whenever, something new comes, always we are trying to upgrade our existing machinery in the market with the new technology. So our customer can always, have the benefit of the best, you know, uh, technology available in the market. So when you will have a machine, we will be always with you for lifetime. It is not that you purchase the machine and then within few years we will stop supporting you. It has never happened with our company. We will always be there, lifetime with you. And we will try to upgrade your machine if it is possible with the latest technology, if at all you are willing to do it. Telephonic support, telephonic video and call support will be always free of charge for all the customers, and which will be available from early morning to late evening. So you should not worry about any of the operational issues if you are facing in the market, at the factory. Our engineers will always be there to support you and resolve each and every small problem which you might face due to your less experience in the industry. You should not worry about it. We have our local engineers at India office who are moving to different places whenever there is any kind of support is needed by the customer which is not resolved on a phone call. Robert, can we see the pelletizer machine again till this machine gets ready? Because few customers have recently joined and I want them to see the pelletizer machine running live. Thank you very much, Robert. Thank you. Just show the complete pelletizer machine. So few of the customers who have recently joined, they can see this machine. And then once the thermoforming line machine will be ready, we will just switch to that machine. Thank you very much. These are the raw material which we had feeded initially in this high-speed mixer. Then those mixed raw material was ready. And then we just, fed it to the pelletizer machine. And the pelletizer machine then finally produced the pellets, the biodegradable pellets. Okay, so this is a high-speed mixture where all the raw materials with additives and, different kind of biodegradable agents we are going to put in. And it's a continuous process. You can put the raw materials continuously, your batch will come out, then you can put another raw material of another batch. It will be fed to this extruder machine's hopper with help of a spiral, belt. And then it will be a completely, a continuous process of manufacturing the pellets. Here is the control panel for the pelletizer machine. This is the main machine which will produce the pellets. Yeah, it's a 132 kilovolt power needed for this machine to run. We have completed a single batch of operation. So right now, the pellets from the main raw material batch is finished. Pellets making is already over. But still you can see the machine, whoever has joined recently. Rupesh ji, namaskar.
Namaskar ji, namaskar.
Welcome to the show.
Thank
Rupesh ji
you.
is from Nepal.
Yes, sir.
We welcome our Nepal customer also in this show. So most welcome Rupesh ji. Thank you for joining with us.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Live
you
demo
for
join
giving
करने
the
के लिए
opportunity.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to see a live demo.
Composable glass making machine line. Parag sir, namaskar. Thank you to join with us. And we are really thankful to all the customers who have spent their valuable time today to join with our live demo. I'm thankful to everyone. Himadri Roy sir, thank you. Jaya Surya sir, Dinesh Shukla sir, I'm really thankful to you that you have stick to us from the early morning. Rupesh Kumar ji, thank you very much again, who has joined from Nepal. Sudhanshu Mehani ji, I'm really thankful again to you. And please invite your colleagues if at all they are interested to see the machinery live. Venkateswar Rao sir, thank you very much. Viresh ji, I'm really thankful to you that you have joined with us since morning. Himadri Roy sir, you can call me on my number directly if you have any question. You can see the finishing of the product. I'm requesting to every customer to focus right now on the quality and the finishing of the product. This is very, very important thing when you are into business, because any machinery which will be available at any cost will not guarantee you the kind of finishing. But when you are going to sell your product in the market, only you can fetch the best price if your product is of ultimate finishing. You can see right now, our engineer is showing you the kind of quality what we have manufactured just in front of you live. This is the finishing what we are providing to all of our customers. Those products which are, good. Thank you, Robert, for showing all the item. Thank you again. Please show different item because many of the customers have joined recently. Now our friend and brother Robert from the factory will show us different items. See, you can make all these kind of different items like food plates, boxes, balls, everything. Different grades, different products, different requirements of customers. You can just, make easily with our high quality machines. Yes. Thank you, Robert. Thank you very much. Yeah, see the kind of, finishing. This is the luster. This is the shining of the product, which is highly sellable in the market. Any damn kind of, shape you can make. We will provide and support you for all kind of molds, whatever your request is available. We will provide you the kind of mold and die to make different products from time to time. Robert, can you show other items also like food boxes, food plates and all those? See, these are all items you can make from the thermoforming line. These are the food plates. These are the another kind of food plates. Lunch boxes are there. Balls are there. These are the balls which can be used in the restaurants to pack the takeaway foods. These kind of small serving plates are there. Any damn thing you want, we can just give you and support you the die mold for the same. These are the lunch boxes. You can pack the lunch and just, get it. So these are the used by the restaurants heavily. These are different kind of, main item for all packing for products, different food products. Everything and anything in biodegradable industry, you can just make it with help of our high quality machineries. Thank you very much. Thank you, Robert. Yeah, these are the balls. Now see, this is the kind of, the product which is a biodegradable product, which is easily degradable into the environment when it is used and then, throw out. These products are keeping 94% biodegradable. You can achieve the biodegradability up to 98% with help of our secret formulation. So these products will be completely degraded into the environment. No harm at all. We want this world to make plastic free. So each and every government is now very much emphasizing. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Robert. Thank you very much. Yes. We want to make this world plastic free. And every government all over the world, either it's US, it's Canada, it's Australia, it's Singapore, it's India, or any other country. Yeah, Roy sir. क्या बोल रहे हैं? तो आप में ना कुछ आपने सेटिंग चेंज करना पड़ेगा, तो आपको सुनाई देगा because everyone can listen my voice, but you are not only listening. So do some setting. You आप जरा उसमें देखो, आपने कहीं मेरा ऑडियो बंद नहीं किया है ना? हो सकता है कि गलती से बंद कर दिया होगा. Please just check in your setting because my audio is on. Everybody is able to listen my voice. Only you are not able to listen. Kindly just check in the settings, sir. And if you have any specific question for anything, you can always call me right now during the live demo. No problem. हमने सबको mute पे रखा है, so we don't have kind of chaos. सब एक time पे बोलेंगे, then it is not, proper thing to reply from us. So we have kept everyone on mute. Thank you. Thank you, sir. See, we can, see that, these all glasses, all products are able to take hot water and cool water, everything. No problem at all. This is the quality. See here, Robert is showing this is a hot water and we will just pour this hot water into these glasses. This is only possible with the perfect formulation. So I was explaining you guys that formulation is something which is most important thing in this industry. And we are actually the company who is providing a research-based formulation which will save your cost, formulation which will keep you the market leader, and formulation which gives you the best quality. You can see this quality, the glass quality. You can see this is one of the best quality in the market. This will fetch you the kind of pricing what you are looking from in the market. प्रोडक्ट का फिनिशिंग जितना अच्छा होगा उतना ही आपको प्राइस अच्छा मिलेगा मार्केट में, और वो तभी पॉसिबल है जब आपके पास में एक फॉर्मुलेशन अच्छा है. You have the best formulation, and we are providing the secret formulation to every customer. Our formulation are not free. हमारा फॉर्मुलेशन फ्री नहीं है, बट एक फॉर्मुलेशन हम सभी इंडियन बायर्स को अभी फ्री ऑफ चार्ज दे रहे हैं. We are giving single formulation free of charge to every buyer who are buying our Pelletizer machine. Yes. Thank you, Robert. Thank you. Please show more products so customers can understand what kind of quality we are giving. Yes, this is a hot water. You can see. Thank you, Robert. Thank you very much. Yes. This is a quality which we need. Industrialist, a businessman needs the best machine to make the profit year after year. And here we are proving ourselves that we are providing the great products. Thank you again. Yes, so nice of you, Robert. Thank you very much. And this is possible for many hours in the sense, you can have the hot product, hot liquids in the glasses or plates or everything for, hours. And this is, needed in the industry. And this decides the success of any factory, any business. These all products you can easily make with the help of, our machines. Anything, everything you tell us you want to do, we will support you. Any die, any mold with perfection. See, you see the finishing. Sorry. You can see the finishing of the products. This is the kind of quality which we are providing to you. Very few companies in the market can give you this kind of guarantee of finishing. Very few. This is possible only with those suppliers who are very much experienced, who are very much strong on the research and development side. I'm thankful to Robert for showing everything to us so we can, take a very wise decision. Yes, these are the lunch boxes. Food boxes. These are the serving plates. Again, these are the food boxes which are used in the restaurants for the takeaway products like online ordering, everything. Yes. Robert, do we have any spoons to show to the customers? Any spoons? Yes, thank you. See, these are the spoons which are completely biodegradable, and you can make this with the help of our injection molding machine. Yes, yes, Roy sir. मैं म्यूट नहीं किया हूं, फिर भी मैं देख लेता हूं, आप होल्ड करिए। सबका म्यूट, आपका जो मैंने म्यूट किया है, तो आप मुझे वहां डायरेक्टली बात नहीं कर पाएंगे, सबको म्यूट रखा है, लेकिन आपने मुझे जो म्यूट किया होगा वो आपको ही अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा। मैंने सबको म्यूट इसलिए रखा है, तो आपको मेरा आवाज आना चाहिए, आपको मेरा आवाज इसलिए आना चाहिए क्योंकि सबको आ रहा है। मैंने सबको म्यूट इसलिए रखा है सर, क्योंकि अगर सब लोग, हाँ हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा, डू वन थिंग, अच्छा, कैन यू सी द वीडियो? वीडियो दिखाई दे रहा है क्या? हाँ, तो एक काम करिए, आप डिसकनेक्ट करके फिर से दोबारा ज्वाइन कर लीजिए। हम ट्राई करते हैं कि आपको मेरा ऑडियो आता है कि नहीं आता है। जस्ट रिकनेक्ट अगेन। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। Yeah, one of our friend was not able to listen my voice, so I just requested him to reconnect. Thank you, Robert. Thank you very much. You are showing everything to us. Yes, this is the product and this is the finishing what a businessman is looking for. So you can rest assured with us on our factory, guys. We will be giving you the best quality machines. You never regret. You will always, have an upper hand in the market. A businessman understand what is the importance of a quality and the finishing of his products. Then and then only it is, possible to fetch the kind of pricing what we want from the customers. Yes, different, all kind of, shapes, everything is possible. There is nothing which is impossible. Everything is possible with Prayaas Kaohsiung. You can rely us on the Taiwanese quality. Roy sir, now can you listen?
Yes. Can you hear to me? Hello? Hello?
अभी आवाज आ रहा है रॉय सर? Robert, now is it
Yes.
possible to show the another production batch of the Pelletizer machine? Because few the customer have joined recently and they are not, they have not seen the Pelletizer machine in action. So kindly request your engineers to prepare the next batch of the Pelletizer machine. So we will show the recently joined buyers how the Pelletizer machine, produces the pellets. Yeah, these are the glasses what we have manufactured just in front of you. Thank you. Thank you, Robert. Now we will again try to show the Pelletizer production. We will request the shop floor workers to show the next batch of Pelletizer if it is possible. Let me check. Yeah, these are the pellets which we have recently made in the morning today. Yes. Robert, please check with your engineers. Can we run the next batch if it is possible? Just try if it is possible. Otherwise, it's okay.
So they are ready to time out for the break.
This is the steel conveyor belt where the cooling fans are there. And this is the whole extruder machine. It's a twin screw extruder. Here is the raw material mix can be feeded. This was the raw material which we prepared in the morning. This is the high-speed mixer where we feeded all the raw material, including the, cornstarch powder, then calcium carbonate, other biodegradable agents. See, here I would like to tell you one very important thing. At our company, we are doing very intensive research on the formulation side. So we do not advise to use costly ingredients like PLA, PVA, and PBAT in market. So our customers always remain the market leader in whatever the region they are, because we are providing them the research-based formulation without using PLA, PVA, and PBAT. This is the secret. So not only the quality of machine, we are also providing the secret formulation. Our secret formulation is not free. It comes at a charge. But still, for Indian buyers, for Nepal buyers, for Bangladesh buyers, right now we are providing one formulation free of charge when you place the order of a Pelletizer machine. So please come to Ahmedabad to meet us at our India office. Do the final discussion. Get the benefit of the free formulation offer right now, which we are giving to the initial customers who will book the orders very soon. And produce your products at the cheapest cost in the market. I'm 100% giving you guarantee that you will be the market leader and nobody can compete with you in the cost when you are providing them the products manufactured as per our formulations. Yeah, this is the glass manufacturing thermoforming machine. Then these are the glasses what we have recently just manufactured in front of you. Okay, now today's live session is almost over because I have just spoken with the factory engineer. We have consumed all the cornstarch which we had intended to show to all the customers since morning. And I will be sharing the video of our live session from morning with all of the customer who have not been able to attend this live demo or this meeting. And you can just see that operation live, whatever we have recorded. I welcome all of you to our Ahmedabad office. Again, I will tell you, whenever you are coming to meet us at Ahmedabad office, whatever the air tickets you are spending, whatever the hotel stay at Ahmedabad you are spending, it is on us. We will reimburse those charges to you with a Thanksgiving gesture and at the time of your confirmed order receipt. So once you order, we will deduct that amount from the order amount and we will just say thanks to you for that. So now I would welcome you to come up with your questions or anything on my WhatsApp or by email or by calling me. So thank you very much for everyone to join this live demonstration. I'm really thankful to everyone. And we will now conclude this live demo. If any questions are there, please connect with me on WhatsApp or you can connect with me on email and you can always call me. So nice of you. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you.